Want to customize your Tawk.to chat widget? Tawk.to lets you personalize your live chat widget so it matches your website's branding and provides a better experience for your visitors. In this guide, I'll show you how to customize the Tawk.to chat widget step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, sign into your Tawk.to account and select the website property you want to customize. Then open the administration section and choose Chat Widget to access your widget settings. Next, open the widget appearance settings. Here you can change the widget's color, shape, size, screen position, and appearance for both desktop and mobile devices. Use the live preview to see your changes before saving them. Now edit the widget's content. You can update the welcome message, choose the widget language, customize the online, away, and offline states, and enable or disable features like live chat and the knowledge base. These changes are applied automatically without reinstalling the widget. If you'd like to attract more visitors, enable an attention grabber and customize the widget header or body cards. You can also upload your own graphics or use one of the built-in designs to better match your website's branding. Finally, save your changes and refresh your website. Open the chat widget to verify that your new design, greeting messages, and settings are working correctly on both desktop and mobile. You know, a well-designed chat widget helps visitors recognize your brand and encourages them to start a conversation. And that's how to customize the Tawk.to chat widget. By adjusting the design, content, and behavior of your widget, you can create a more professional experience for your website visitors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.